for southwestern Harper County until 9 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Amorita, or 11 miles southeast of Hazelton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. You can expect tornado. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Anthony around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Waldron. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.